Have you tried Gajanan Vadapav's famous gram flour chutney? Today I am making it with the trending Ulta Vadapav. Start by cutting the boiled potatoes into small pieces. Don't mash them completely. We want potato chunks for the best texture. Heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies and curry leaves. Add asafoetida, turmeric. Once they splutter, add potatoes and salt and saute until the raw smell is gone. Add freshly chopped coriander. Keep the potato mixture aside to cool. Now let's make the famous gram flour chutney. In the same pan, add a little oil, ginger garlic paste, mix all together well. Add asafoetida and chopped green chilies. Now add gram flour and roast it for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add water while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Turmeric. Add salt. Cook until the chutney becomes smooth, creamy and medium flowing. Not too thick and not too runny. Let it cool. Now make a smooth batter using besan, turmeric, salt and water. Cut the bread into round shapes. Spread the cool gram flour chutney on one bread slice and place another slice on a top. Coat both sides with the prepared potato mixtures. Dip the prepared bread in the batter. Coat it well. And gently fry in hot oil until golden and crispy on both sides. Fry some sliced green chilies too. Serve your trending Ulta Vadapav with the famous Gajanan style gram flour chutney and fried green chilies. Save this recipe and follow Triple Tadka for more homemade recipes.